we're moving on to our next series, which is going to be self-myofascial release. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this foam rolling today, and we're going to foam roll the thoracic spine. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use this foam roller here, and we're going to work from the top of the shoulders down through the base of the rib cage. So as Dr. Sam here sets up, what she's going to do is she's going to lay back over the foam roller. You can see here, the way that she's going to move up and down is by lifting her hips, and then she can kind of push into her heels and pull in order to roll that foam roller from the upper back down to the lower back. And she's kind of just allowing everything to kind of release and move just a little bit. Now, as she rolls and scans, she'll find different areas that might feel a little tight. And what I'm going to have her do is then place her butt down on the ground, and now she's going to lift the arms up overhead, really extending over the foam roller, and then she'll pull back down into the chest. She can do this about 5 times in this spot. And then she'll scan through and lift the hips and look for a different area of the thoracic spine she feels rigid, and then she'll repeat. So she'll put the butt down and then lift the arms up overhead. Try to find maybe a couple different spots that you feel tight and work on getting mobility in through that.